fence post should always be made out of weather-resistant wood. It's important to use woods like redwood, cedar, or pressure-treated pine. But here's another quick tip for you. It's just as important to cut the tops of your fence post at a 30-degree angle so that the rainwater sheds off of it. Otherwise, the water has a tendency to soak into the porous ingrain of the post, and then your wood's going to start swelling and splitting, and before you know it, it'll be bowing and twisting and rotting. You can use a framing square to make a mark across the end of your post. Now you want to make a mark that's about 1 inch down. Just draw a line straight across and then measure 2 inches down from that. And just make a little line and then connect this mark to the end of this mark and you'll get your diagonal cut line. It should be about a 30-degree angle. Now we're ready to make the cut across this line, and that'll give us the angled top that we need. Use a handsaw or an electric circular saw to make this cut. Now you can use a chainsaw or a reciprocating saw, but I think you'll find that it won't be near as accurate.